welcome to Warm River, Idaho. I ended up meeting up with my mom and her boyfriend. And Michaela met up with me the next day with our two dogs, Jackson and River. So this is actually kind of the aftermath after a crazy monsoon that rolled through. And no, this is not snow that is on the ground. This is marble-sized hail. And it actually kind of flooded the entire campground after raining and hailing so hard.
Wow.
So this is Warm River Campground. It's located near Ashton, Idaho. Some people just call it Warm River, Idaho. It's not a town or anything like that, but there are a lot of cabins and fancy homes near this area. So this campground is actually pretty good for fishing. Not big fish, but you can catch a lot of fish. And during the hot summer days, you can actually raft this river. The river actually floats all the way through the campground. So I've been camping at this campground since I was just a little kid. I didn't actually document a lot on this campground on this trip. A lot of it has gotten a little stale for me just because I've been here for so many years.
Ooh, that's cold. Come on, grab my Tootsie.
It's cold.
It is cold, it hurts my hands.
I'm bitching because it's hot. River does that.
Ah! That's cold. That's cold.
So they don't actually call it Warm River because the water is warm. They call it Warm River because the water doesn't actually freeze over in the winter. So the water is actually very, very cold. And me and Michaela actually ended up doing a little bit of exploring up in the Island Park area. Mesa Falls is actually very close to this campground. That is a big tourist attraction if you want to go check out a pretty big waterfall. There's actually 2 sections of it that you can go check out. And this area is just good for some nice sightseeing as well.
Ready, Riff? Watch out!
So that is Warm River Campground. As always, I will leave a link in the description for anyone out there who is wanting to check this campground out for themselves. If you enjoy the content, make sure you hit subscribe and like the video. And I thank you all for watching. We will see you in the next video.